Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another day and other topic. So today we are going to learn how we can make a field required in the Salesforce, or what method can be used, or how many types will be there to make a field required. Let's get into the org. We will quickly click the gear icon again, click the setup, go to the object manager and go to the object of which field you wanted to make a required. So I will go to the student object, click student, field and relationships, and choose any field that you wanted to make it a required field. So I'll just choose the state and I'll click edit. And if you scroll down, then you will be able to see general option, and in general option you will see a required option. Always require a value in this field in order to save a record. So you need to select this option and then click save from here. And now go back to our Salesforce org and we will check that if the field is required or not. We will click to the student and we create a new button. And then you will be able to see that this is a required field. The state is a required field. If you'll just keep my mouse on it, and then it is saying that it is required. So this is the one method from which you can make a field required. Then there are several methods from which you can make a field required. One is you can go to the settings and you can just edit the field and click the option. The second option is if you go to the page layouts on the left side in the option panel, and you have to click student layout. Then you can just quickly select from this page layout too that you wanted to make it required or not. Like for example, I wanted to make a hobbies a required field. So I will go over here and you can see that there are two options are populating. One is read only or one is required. Read only means that the users can just read it and they cannot edit it. If you just select it, then they won't be able to edit this hobbies option. But I don't want that right now. I wanted to make it a required field. So I will just select it and I'll say OK. And then I will quickly save this page layout and then save. And if I'll go back to the custom object and if I'll click new, then you will be able to see that hobbies is a required field now. So we have learned that how we can make a field required from two ways. First, if we go to the settings and select it from there, and then we can go to the page layout and select the field required from there. Third option is that you can make a field required from the validation rule or from the apex trigger. That's a separate video and that's a separate topic that I will let you know how we can make a field required through automation on programming or through validation rule or apex trigger. I hope my video will help you in understanding of these topics. So this is it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.